In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Gmail password if it's been saved in Google Chrome. This can be really helpful if you've forgotten your password and you're in a pinch. Remember, this method only works if Chrome had previously saved your password. Let's dive in. First, go ahead and open the Google Chrome browser on your desktop. Once you've got it open, look towards the top right corner of the window. There you'll see three vertical dots, which is the Chrome menu icon. Click on those three dots. From the drop-down menu that appears, move your mouse down to find Settings and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust a variety of Chrome settings to suit your needs. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see several options along the left-hand side. What we're looking for here is Autofill. Click on the Autofill section and it will expand to show more options. Under Autofill, select Passwords. This is where Chrome manages all the passwords you may have saved while using the browser. Now you should see a list of all websites for which Chrome has saved passwords. In the search bar at the top of this list, type in either accounts.google.com or gmail.com. This will filter the list to show just the entries related to your Google or Gmail account, making it easier to find what you're looking for. Once you've found the entry for your Gmail account, look across that row to the far right and you'll see a small icon that looks like an eye. Clicking on this eye icon will allow you to see the password that Chrome has saved for this account. To ensure that your passwords remain secure, Chrome will ask you to authenticate your identity at this point. Depending on what you have set up on your computer, this could mean entering your computer's password or using a biometric method like a fingerprint or face recognition. After you've successfully authenticated, Chrome will reveal the saved password. It's crucial to keep in mind the importance of keeping your passwords secure and private. Only use this method on your personal device and never on a shared or public computer. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can quickly find a Gmail password if it was previously saved by Chrome. Keep this tip in mind for the next time you find yourself in a situation where you need to recover a password. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Until next time.